My name is Steven. I graduated from Sheridan College. I studied 4 years of classic animation, 2 years of computer animation. After graduation, I've been working in animation industry for 9 years as a 3D modeler. And now I'm here to teach 3D Maya class in Lux Academy.
Could you talk about your educational and professional experience?
My experience at Sheridan was all about learning. Get to experience and learn all different departments in the animation industry through the classes. Animating, character design, layout, storyboarding, live drawing, 3D modeling, and much more. So it was great for me to find out what I like to do by doing it and by trying it in different classes from Sheridan. When I get to the professional industry, I studied as an environment modeler, which I get to do a lot of prop and background. And later on, I become a character modeler, which I create character from 2D to 3D model. Difference between educational and professional is at Sheridan you get to experience all different departments through the class. At professional industry you get to do only one thing, which you are hired for, you are good at.
Could you talk about the project you've worked on? Which project you believe has the greatest impact on you?
I've been working on a lot of preschool show and Netflix animated project. For example, Thomas the Train, Tarzan and Jane, Barbie the movie, and Maya and the Three. The project that impacted me the most was Maya and the Three, because not like a preschool show, it was much more complex, and people around me, the artists that I work with, they were really great, so talented. So I get to learn a lot working next to them.
I heard that you've worked at Mainframe Studio. Could you describe a typical day at work? And what's your favorite aspect of your job?
When you get into the industry, you get to do only one thing. Almost every artist in the industry just concentrate on one thing. For me, it was 3D modeling, so probably that's the aspect that I like the most. Ever since COVID happened, more studio is turning into a remote work from home policy. So imagine you could work at home, but you could save a lot of money and time. It's the thing that I like.
Do you have any suggestions for a beginner who just getting started in their career in 3D modeling? What skills do you think are most important for getting a job like yours?
A suggestion for a beginner who is just getting into the 3D modeling industry is you gotta know what you like to do. You gotta know which industry you want to work for. Do you want to work for animation industry or gaming industry or VFX industry? You gotta try everything, explore everything from like college and find out what you like to do and build a skill set towards your goal.